Hi everyone, and welcome to Coffee with My Sunshine. Today for our DIY Make It Your Own Monday series, I decided to make this lemon wreath that I've been seeing all over the place. So if you would like to see how I made it, please keep watching. So for the lemon wreath that I made, you will only need just a few things. I found these lemons at Hobby Lobby for $4.99, but with the 40% off coupon, it came out to only $3. And then this grapevine wreath was from the Dollar Tree, so it was only $1. And these greenery stems were only 36 cents on clearance at Hobby Lobby. But I've seen similar ones that you can get at Walmart for 97 cents. And I think I only ended up using 3 branches or 3 stems. So what you're going to want to do is cut off each little, I don't know what you call it, little section of leaves. And I started off using scissors, but it was too difficult because there's a wire in there. So I went and got my husband's, I think they're pliers or wire cutters, and it worked so much better. So then all you're going to want to do is just position the leaves, just kind of see, the directions you want them to go in, and then how far you want them spaced. If you want them, more sparse, then separate them a little bit. But then just start hot gluing the stems and hold it down for a while because it takes a little bit longer to attach to the little grapevine pieces on there. And after playing around a little bit with the positioning, I decided I wanted all the greenery leaves to go in the same direction. So then when you're done attaching the branches with the hot glue, all I did was just take some of the leaves I just cut separately just to fill in any little areas that you could still see a bunch of the grapevine wreath through. Then I just picked out the lemons that I wanted from the bag. I picked a couple of the bigger ones and some of the smaller ones and just started putting them on how I thought they looked cute and started hot gluing them. And then if you want a ribbon on there, you can just attach it by wrapping it around, you know, under the leaves, just kind of tuck it under. And then sometimes I like to have a ribbon, that way it covers the wreath hanger on the door, but you don't have to have one at all. You can just hook it right onto the wreath hanger. But this one, I just had a black and white striped ribbon that I thought I would try. And if you have just some extra fabric that you like the looks of for spring or whatever, you can just cut into a strip just like you would, just like a ribbon looks. And you can cut that and then wrap it around as you saw me do with the black and white ribbon, and I'll show you that in just a minute. And this is the one that I did with fabric, where I just cut the strip, and I thought it was pretty for the spring since it was blue and white checkered. And I just ended up hanging my wreath without the ribbon or the fabric, but I think it looks really simple and welcoming. And I think I can even leave it up through spring and summer because of the lemons. I just think they're really cheery. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think of this DIY, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!